Hi, everybody. Today we are going to show how to solve the problem that your sensors have been locked. We choose random option at TS508 and program the sensor. We use AutoCrate ID to program sensor. You can check that your sensors have been locked. Then we use our special fixed version of TPMS80 to repair it. And then you can go into any of these options, any of them. Indirect way cannot work. We enter into Program Sensor, choose AutoCrate ID. You have to make sure it only one sensor within 1 meter. It will show you that one sensor is detected. And if you have many sensors need to unlock, you need to unlock them one by one. It shows ID and PSN here, the sensor is unlocked now. And then we go back to TS508 device. Same interface and program sensor again. A sensor that has been unlocked will not be locked again. ID and PSN have been shown, this sensor has been unlocked. Succeed.